Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Woo, it's good to be back here. It's been a while. If this is your first time joining us, welcome to Lois Braids. So on this video I'm going to share how I made this beautiful and mind-blowing hairstyle using just kinky and Brazilian wool. I started with all back cornrow cotton, and the full hair I divided into 4 parts. Yes, and on each row I divided I cut out 4 boxes on each row, 4 boxes each, and then I did a single braid, like you mat it, you know the way you do single braids. I've done a video on how to do single braids, guys. If you've not seen it, go to my I'm going to leave the link on the video so you can watch it. As you can see, I'm almost done with braiding doing the single braids, and I apply gel on each hair before I braid it. The reason is to make it come out neater and it won't even hurt at all. Guys, if you find this my video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. If you have any question, leave your question under the comment section and I'll be there to answer all your questions. You might be wondering why everywhere is so dark. Well, my client arrived very late, and unfortunately for us, there was a blackout. This is Nigeria for you. But nevertheless, we were able to achieve what we want to achieve. So watch till the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Make sure you watch to the end of this video, guys, because there are tricks and tips and you don't want to miss anything out. So I'm done with braiding the single braids. Now I'm using my crochet hook to attach my kinky. As you can see, I've already attached it. Yes, and gentle, guys. If it's too hard, it's going to pain. It's going to be very painful. So I'm now using my Brazilian wool. I'm using like 5 Brazilian wool each. The reason is the hair is big, so I wanted it to cover every part of the main hair and also the kinky extension. So I'm starting to thread. If you know how to thread, it's going to be easier for you. It's simple, just to whip the hair. I started from the root, and as you can see, I'm taking my time so that I will cover every part of the kinky extension and also the braid. So now when I'm done, I'm just going to use like 2 pieces of the Brazilian wool to tie the first one. I'm close to picking the second one, so that's why I'm tying it. As you can see now, I'm going to add it from under. You add it and then you bring your new Brazilian braid wool and continue whipping. The reason why I tied it that first time was for it not to loosen or start unfolding. So as you can see, guys, I'm making sure I close every part. Now the second one, I'm tying it again. Yes, I'm picking another Brazilian wool and I continue whipping. Just take the next hair. Once you get to the end of the first one, the first one, yes, you get to the end, just pick the other one from under gently and add it and start whipping. your kinky extension, don't cut it. If you cut it, it's going to be short, and it depends on the length of the bun, the afro bun the person wants. Watch to the end, you understand what I mean. Now I'm doing the last one. Once you're done doing this, when you're done whipping the last one, you just tie it and leave it. Cut out the remaining Brazilian one and then leave it, and you continue with the rest. So guys, I'm done. As you can see, I'm done whipping the hair. I'm done threading the hair rather. So now I'm going to use Kinky to tie the hair together, tie everything together. And then I'm going to knot the kinky extension again. I'm going to knot everything. So the reason is for it to look full, just to give it that afro look full. As you can see, I'm knotting everything. It's going to make it tight and it's going to look full. So now I'm done knotting the hair, and because I want the hair to look very full, I'm using my crochet pin to attach extra kinky extensions on the hair. As you can see, up on the hair, not down or in the middle, just up on the hair. As you can see where I'm attaching the hair, I'm going to knot it just like I knot the other ones, and when I'm done, I trim out the hair. Just attach your kinky extension as full as you want the hair to look. It depends on how full you want the hair to look. I really wanted it to look very full, so that is why I attached a lot of kinky extensions on the hair. This hairstyle is beautiful, fine, simple, and less expensive. If you don't like to make it, this hairstyle is for you. It's quick, it doesn't take time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe, like, and share my video. Please like this video, guys. The reason is it's going to help YouTube algorithm to push this video to a lot of people. So please like and share my video. So when I'm done adding my extra kinky to the hair, as you can see, I used scissors to trim the hair. Yes, trim it and form an afro bun look on the hair, as you can see. So I added a lot of kinky to make it look full. So if you want it to look full on your hair or on the person you're making the hair for, you have to add a lot of kinky. And don't forget to knot it so that it doesn't loosen. This is the outcome, guys. Is this not beautiful? It's mind-blowing. This is so beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.